is watching this video. This is Real Fan Rare Productions, and I might not post this on New Year's Eve, but currently when I'm recording right now, and it is New Year's Eve at the time I'm recording right now. So, let's get down to business. All right, let's start with layout update number 2. Let's go. We're gonna have a lot of fun today. The first thing I want to show you is new engines and rolling stock. In front of me is a new loco I got. It's a Pennsylvania Railroad E6 Atlantic number 68. I got this for Christmas this year, and it's a good running loco. So, good job on Line L on this loco. Alright, on to the next one. Next up, we have an 080 from the Terminal Railroad Association, number 318. I also got this for Christmas. It's a good running switcher locomotive. If you guys would like to buy this, it'd be kind of hard to find one, but I think there's another version on Train World. So, just in case you want to buy it. Next up, we have a 3-pack of GATX tank cars. And let me take my camera out of the case so that I can show you some of the detail compared to the other ones. Just give me a sec. Okay. Got some nice blue wheels. That shows that they've just come out of the factory. Got the new shield details. I don't know if you can really see it, but there's like a plastic shield on the end of each side of the tank car. So that's cool. I think they put that there so like in real life, if there were like a train crash and like the tank car is like mashed together, like the train, smashed into something and like, all the force of tank cars crashing into each other, I think the shields in real life would just like prevent like the explosions from happening, or at least try and prevent it. Anyway, on to the next thing. Okay, so next to, I thought I'd do it 2 at once this time, so, the first car is a Milwaukee Road, let me check. It's a PS2CD hopper car. And, the second one is an intermodal car. And, that's TT. And, it's a TTX, intermodal car. With, some containers. Trying to get my tripod in there. Okay, there we go. So the 2 containers that come with it are an MOL stack. I don't know what MOL stands for. And the second one I cannot pronounce. I think it's pronounced Salmarine, something like that. I don't know. These two came with the intermodal car. These are both made by Lionel. They're great cars and they run well. And I'll probably feature these in a future running video. So, on to the next one. Next up, we have this Merry Christmas car, by Lionel. Well, interesting enough, everything I got for Christmas is from Lionel. So, that's interesting. So, I thought I'd say that. My channel used to be named Lionel Train Reviews. But I changed it to Real Fan Rare Productions because that was my dream YouTube name for a while, and I wanted to change it. So, anyway, on to the next thing. Okay, next up is my new Lionel Lions caboose, number 6960. These are quite new, I think. I forget the catalog. The first time the cupola cams were released, it was 2018. Then the second run was made earlier this year, and this is from the second run. I have another cupola cam caboose, a Norfolk Southern one from the first run. It's in a couple of my I have a few videos of it. On like some of my freight trains, my modern freight trains. I don't know if I've ever posted it on YouTube though. Comment if I should take that out and show it to you guys and maybe compare it with this one. Alright. I think that just about covers it for rolling stock. So, I think scenery would be next. Okay, so we're moving into scenery now. And the first change to scenery is, we moved this house. From over in that area over there where the siding was, and put it right there. So that's cool. And in a couple seconds I'll show you what's been put there. Anyway, on to the next thing. Alright everyone, this is the next thing I have to show you. It's a Menards train station, and as you can see, it might not show up on cam. Some of the details might not show up on camera, but Menards did a great job for this, and only $80. That's pretty good. So, 5 stars for Menards on this new train station. Alright, all we have to do now is run some of the new equipment. Alright, everyone. Thank you for watching layout update number 2. Hope y'all have a wonderful New Year's Eve and a wonderful New Year's Day. Happy 2020, and I'll see y'all down the line. This is Real Fan of Mirror Productions, out. Thank you all for watching.